My name is Jonathan Roberts and I'm Professor in Robotics here at QUT. I have a background in aerospace engineering and that's what I did as an undergrad. I then finished my Bachelor of Engineering degree and went on to do a PhD in robot vision systems, and that's when I got my passion for robots. I'm interested in robot perception and giving robots the ability to see. So some of the challenges in robotics rely on a robot to be able to see what's around it. And that's an unsolved problem at the moment. So there's a lot of researchers around the world trying to crack that problem. I think some robots will be able to see to a limited extent soon, but it's a very, very difficult problem. So there'll be some applications that are a bit constrained and are a bit simpler, and I think we can get robots to see in that way. Seeing like humans is still decades away, I think. I was attracted to come to QUT because it's got a reputation of people working together across the disciplines. So robotics, by its very nature, you need people with skills in different areas, and QUT is very well known for having people working together, so it was a very attractive place to come. When I finished my PhD, I moved to Australia and I started work in mining robots. Back in the mid-90s, there was a big push to try and automate a lot of mining equipment, and a mining automation group formed, and I worked in that for many years. We then expanded that group and started to get into lots of other application areas, and we then developed flying robots, we did underwater robots, and we ended up doing robots even in museums. So we just expanded more and more over the years. QUT is a very exciting place to work in research. There's just a whole big variety of different problems. People come to us with actual problems in the application area, and we then talk to everyone and work out what the real underlying research problems are. So I guess we're led by the application problems. We don't sort of push our research into applications. The applications suck us in. Recently people will have seen a BBC feature about a thing called the UAV Challenge, which is an international flying robot competition. And this was a competition I co-founded when I was at CSIRO before I came to QUT. And it's an event that's co-hosted by CSIRO and QUT. And it promotes the use of flying robots for civilian search and rescue applications. So teams from all over the world come to Australia and they build robots and they demonstrate how they can save a lost bushwalker. And this year was the first year that that competition was finally completed after 8 years of competitions. We're now seeing robots starting to be used in everyday applications. I'd hoped that by now, 20 years after my PhD, we'd be a bit further down the track and all those robots we see in science fiction would have come to pass, but we've still got a lot of research to do, which is good because that's why I'm here.